Hi everyone. So today I am back with the remaining part of yesterday's topic, that is best tourist places to visit in Assam. So friends, I hope you have watched my yesterday's video, and if no, then please go through the video and do like and subscribe to my channel. So let's continue with the topic. So the next tourist places to visit in Assam is Padampukhuri archaeological excavation. Hajarapukhuri and Padampukhuri are a pair of tanks positions in the vicinity of the Bamuni Hills. While Hajarapukhuri is recognized as the third largest artificial lake in Tejpur, the Padampukhuri is an island park famous for lotuses, created from an archaeological excavation in the early 19th century. This pond contributes to the cool and breezy atmosphere of the city and is among the most popular historical places of Assam. When here, one must not miss out on the rejuvenating experience on walking on the bank of the pond and witnessing the park's musical fountains, toy trains, and the iron bridge. Next is Haflong Lake, beautiful lake. The Haflong Lake is undoubtedly the most beautiful lake and best tourist place in Assam, India, located in the heart of the city. This lake is perfect tourist spot that offers travelers the chance to indulge in water sports, boating, fishing, and even bird watching, owing to the thousands of migratory birds that take refuge here in winter. Well maintained and clean, the lake falls under the protection of the Dima Hasao Tourist Forest Department and Dima Hasao Autonomous Council. Next is Haflong Hill for adventure seekers, one of the most famous tourist attractions in Assam. This attraction is popular for thrilling activities like paragliding and trekking, surrounded with the mesmerizing aura. This is a beautiful hill that sweeps you off your feet. The view of the mountains around and the lush greenery offers a perfect opportunity to up your Instagram game. Next, Panimur Falls, panoramic sights. Despite being situated over 100 kilometers away from the town, this waterfall is one of the major attractions in Haflong. If you are a movie buff and that entices you more than nature, you would be glad to know that a few shots from Rangoon were shot here. So just pick your camera and make sure you stop by here by capturing. Next is Dima Hasao, home of Assamese tribes, also called North Kasar Hills in Assam. This marvelous place is home to the minor and major tribes of the state, like the Dimasa Kasaris, Jimmy Nagas, Mars, and Kukis, each of which occupy a small space in the area, but an enormous significance in building and preserving the heritage of Assam. Considered to be one of the best places to see in Assam, all who visit this place find themselves lost in the tranquility of nature and end up. Next is Dibru Saukwa National Park, untouched wilderness. The wetlands of the Tinsukia district in Assam are what constitute the Dibru Saukwa National Park, still in its untouched and tranquil form. This is one of an amazing wildlife sanctuary in Assam that is home to some of the rarest beings on the planet. The wetlands and marshes of this area also attract many birds, because of which the park witnesses more than 500 species of migratory and native aviaries. Other than wildlife safaris and bird watching, what makes This is one of the best places to visit in Assam in May. Drawing tourists from all over India is the unparalleled opportunity to go on a boat safari and spot the Gangetic River dolphins. Communication and industrial hub of Northeast India, Dibrugarh is rapidly gaining popularity among tourists. Named after Dibru River, it is the largest city in Assam and is well connected with other cities and towns. Its profuse flora, fauna and rich culture make it one of the best places to visit in Assam. A lot of migratory birds take shelter in Dibrugarh when it is this season. So, all in all, it makes one of the must-visit Assam destination to stop by on your northeastern holiday. Next, Tinsukia. If you are a nature lover, then in no way should you miss visiting Tinsukia. Known for beautiful villages and lush wildlife sanctuaries, it is a haven for people who just want to disconnect with the world and form a connection with Mother Nature for a few days. If you love to explore little hamlets and villages and don't mind going into exile for a few days, then it is one of the best places to see in Assam. Next, Swalkuchi, Weber's village. There is better place to learn about the culture and traditions of Assam than Swalkuchi. Known as the Weber's village, Swalkuchi produces the best kind of silk in the state. For the same reason, it is called Manchester of East. You will be delighted to see the village houses made of bamboo and mud. Its authenticity and rustic charms is what makes it popular among travelers who love to go offbeat. Next, Lilabari, known for Dirang Valley. Lilabari is one of the most beautiful places to see in Assam. If you are willing to take the road less taken, located in North Lakhimpur, this small town will titillate you with the waterfront views and breathtaking Dirang Valley. For someone who likes being in nature, will feel absolute delightment on their visit to Lilabari. One can enjoy a lot of activities like rafting, trekking and fishing in their free time. It is a paradise for nature and adventure lovers. Karimganj, wetlands and lush farms. Take a break from the city's hassle, bustle and find your retreating the sleepy town of Karimganj, located in the southernmost corner of Assam. It is characterized by wetlands and lush farms. Agriculture is the primary livelihood of the people in Karimganj. If you have a passion for crops and animals apart from the scenic landscapes, then you have loved to visit this place on your trip to Assam. The town is also fringed with two major rivers, Kasari and Longai, offering you the aesthetic views of the water bodies. It also shares its border with Bangladesh. Next, Bongaigaon, vibrant culture. The reason that makes Bongaigaon one of the best Assam tourist places is its vibrant culture. Since it was the last capital of the Kamadpur kingdom, it is one of the most important cities in the state. Learn about the fascinating Assamese culture and township during your visit in Bongaigaon. Its scenic beauty will just blow your mind away. The pristine and untouched nature will lure you to take a detour to Bongaigaon. Next, Hailakandi, peace and tranquility. If you are searching for peace and tranquility, then you should find your way to Hailakandi in Assam. It is one of the popular Assam tourist places that is worth every penny and second of yours. Wait till you check in one of the homestays and wander around the fruit orchards and tea gardens. Contemplate while listening to the gurgling sound of the river and learn about many legends associated with the town. You are going to have one hell of a time in Hailakandi. Next, Darang, mythological importance. Don't you dare miss visiting Darang on your Assam trip if you love exploring places rich with culture and fauna. This place even has a mention in Mahabharata, which is believable as you can spot various religious and mythological spots scattered around the town, with salubrious weather all around the year. This place has so much to offer to you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe.